how to create a Tremendous account, a step-by-step guide. Google search for Tremendous and open up the website. Now from here you will see sign up now as an option from the main menu. Once selected, it is then going to ask for your full name, email and password, and we can just provide that. Now I'm going to talk about the email address in a second here. So for your email address, you cannot just add any email ending at Gmail, for example. You need to use a work email, so one that is going to be assigned to you. For example, it's going to be your name and at company.com. So you will need to have a work email, a valid work email, in order to sign up with or sign up for Tremendous. Now, if you have a valid work email, you can just provide it here, or you also have the option of signing up with Google. So this is gonna open up the prompt to sign in to your Google account. And once you sign in, then you can proceed further. It's gonna ask you for business information, billing information, so on and so forth. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.